Anaconda's 5 astonishing behaviors. 1. Size. Anacondas are large, heavy-bodied snakes capable of reaching lengths exceeding 20 feet, making them formidable predators. 2. Constriction. These snakes are non-venomous but use powerful coils to suffocate and restrain their prey before swallowing it whole. 3. Semi-aquatic. Anacondas are excellent swimmers, often found in marshes, swamps, and slow-moving rivers, where they ambush unsuspecting prey. 4. Solitary. Anacondas are mostly solitary creatures, avoiding confrontation with other members of their species except during mating season. 5. Ectothermic. As cold-blooded reptiles, anacondas rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature and stay active.